nami bengizama ukufihla ukuthi yazini ngiyajola namathekeni at the same time nginakho ukubathanda all over.
And that's right. Oh wait, kahle kahle. 4 years yonke. No.
Hey, what's up again, viewers? We are back again with another episode of Angithandi Lento with your one and only Umthobisi MTB Umfana kaSibiya. Now yazi, it's different episodes, different stories, different people, but one and the same presenter. Namhlanje we have my sister uAyanda osibhalele kwi-show. But she's gonna tell us the story ukuthi kahle what happened, why sibhalele kwi-show, why does she want to speak out le ndaba anayo. Now afuna ukusibhalela, you do the same thing. We have our email address. We have a Facebook, we have TikTok, even on YouTube you can comment on this show right now and say you have some story ofuna ukuthi uzwisise yona. Namhlanje I have my sister egama lakhe uAyanda uzositshela ukuthi usukaphi, kwenzakalani, what's going on, and right now yini afuna ukuyi-expose or ayivezayo la kwi-show. My sister, sawubona unjani?
Yabona njani bhuti?
Ngiyaphila. Anganoma ukhuluma isiZulu or you speak English or isiTswana or isiPedi because mina ngikhuluma isiZulu nesingisi.
Zulu, so to English, it's fine by me.
So siya mix.
Yeah, we can.
Okay, thank you. So we have heard your story, we read your story on our email, ukuthi usibhalele, but then I want you to explain to people right now today ukuthi why did you write on this show?
Okay, but igama lami uAyanda. I'm from Jamestown. There's a guy that I met 4 years back. Igama lakhe uSibusiso. I fell in love with him. You know, and I've tried everything ukuthi ngimbonise, but ungathi akaboni. It's like he's not noticing. And into engborayo is that we have been intimate for such a long time. So
Okay, so you are telling us there's a guy that you saw, you met this guy, you've been seeing each other intimate most of the time. Is this your partner or you have another partner but you want this guy? What's happening? Una umuntu or umuntu awunaye, single right now or ukhona umuntu but you wanna move in with this guy?
No, anginamuntu. I've been waiting for him, trying to show him ukuthi, you know, I love you, but akaboni. I don't know if akaboni or akaboni. I don't know.
Okay, so there's different ways that you can show a person ukuthi uyamthanda or uyamfuna or ugcwele ngaye. Just tell us nje a bit briefly ukuthi what did you actually do or say to show him ukuthi uyamthanda lo muntu?
Okay, I buy lingeries. I try to be sexy for him. Yazi ngiflirta naye. You know, I'm trying to show him signs ukuthi like, guy, bega mina, but no. I think there's something more to it than what I'm seeing.
So when you're doing all of this, when you're buying lingeries, do you buy them because you guys want to have like, you want to be intimate and bedeni, or do you end up actually going there, or you just buy them? And when you buy them and you show him, uthini?
So I'm worried about that. Maybe unomunye umuntu, or maybe I'm not enough for him. I don't know.
So when you're saying you guys have been intimate, did you guys actually have sex?
Yes, twice. He was good.
2 times, and he was good. So then after everything, what does he say? Oh, so yeah, what does he think you guys are doing? Does he think you guys are friends, or he thinks you guys are?
I think maybe for him we were friends with benefits. Maybe I don't know. I think.
So when wena nje inwayela wena ayijabulela ihambele, does he say anything? Does he say I love you, or something like that?
He doesn't even say anything. And then everything becomes normal. Let's see, everything is fine. Then we are hambi. That's it. Yes.
Okay, so obviously if you try to do actions with someone ukuthi umkhombise ukuthi uyamthanda, buy lingeries, mhlawumbe umbhayele lunch, have sex with them, blah blah blah, and akusebenzi, what then did you do after that before you wrote to us? Did you tell him now ngamagama, or what did you do else besides ukuthi nje umkhombise ngama actions?
No, I'm not anything. I chose okay, I didn't have the courage of telling him. That's why I wrote to you guys.
Oh, so you just do and just don't say anything. You don't kiss and tell.
No.
Alright, cool. But ngizwele ukuthi my sister lana unobhuti ayishaya ngaye, and unfortunately or fortunately enough sebeyile embedeni and umnandi ubhuti lo umnwaya kamnandi. So angazi ukuthi ke uma usunwaya kamnandi umuntu wena, what do you say about that? But we're going to hear from him ukuthi yena ngoba nje ibhizi unwayo my sister kamnandi uthi ucabangani yena, what's going on? Is it friends with benefits or is just friends nje, or mhlambe umuntu wakhe nje acabangela ukuthi uyamnwaya eceleni? Mhlambe he is a partner on the side, we don't know. Maybe he's trying to move on from that, we don't know. Maybe he's taking you for granted or cheap, we don't know. But we're going to hear from him himself. So mkazi ngicela ukuthi ungibizele my brother eze la kwishow naye sizoyizwela ukuthi kahle kahle waye ngafuna usister abajole phela. So seswami, I'm sure you are ready to express your story so that everybody can hear and he can hear, right?
I've been waiting for a long time now.
Awusabi.
No, I'm fine.
Okay, we are welcoming my brother. My brother, my name is Mthobiso MTB. This is called Angithandi Lento Show. All right. So my sister Lana usibhalele on the show wathi kunento angayithandi eyenzakalayo between you guys. But then she's gonna explain her story ukuthi why engayithandi lento oyenzayo and it's been how long or this thing is going on, right? First of all, I want to hear ukuthi what's your name and where do you stay and why do you think she called you here about?
My name is Blessing from Alexandra.
Okay.
Sis Lona umuntu wami ebengithi umuntu wami.
Okay.
Yeah. Now uyazi ke empilweni ngokuhlonipha abazali bethu akumele siveze lezi izinto kumele sifihle and naye ngangazama ukumhlalisa phansi. There was a time evula ifoni yami ipage wabona some picture other guy ngamtshela ngathi hayi umngane nami lo angimxwayi.
Okay, so before we go there, it's like manje we are super going deeper into details. And seems like she has a different side of the story and you have a different side of the story. Which my sister, this is where actually we come in because ungakhulumi about something. Sometimes you do something for a long time, but angikhulumi ngayo. And then after some time, uthola ukuthi kanti yena my brother's on a different page, you're on a different page because you guys don't communicate verbally. Nezinto eniyenzayo and then nindlula. So my brother's supposed to, I just want her to explain her story. Ukuthi kahle kahle, why did she call you here? Because maybe what you're explaining to her right now, she wants to know it, but akazi ukuthi what's happening. My sister, ngimchazele ukuthi why did you write the story?
Hi, Sibuso kunjani? Ngiyaphila. I wrote kule show lana because of there's something engiphathi kahle. I've known you for the past 4 years now, and ukutshela iqiniso, I love you. But it seems like when you're not seeing it, or maybe ungithatha as your friend with benefit, I've tried to show you, like, I've tried to give you signs, but ungathi you're not there, or awuboni, I don't know.
But now, did you hear when he came here? He said, "Ukubiza ngomuntu wakho." Why do you think? Mhlambe wenzela thina ngoba sesila. He's never told you before, because my brother, she told us before, we never told her ukuthi you love her or uyamthanda or something is happening. You guys have been doing things. Please explain to him as you did explain to us. You guys had something and you liked it.
Okay, maybe an ungithanda wakhe, probably maybe he means as a friend, not as a partner. So I'm confused manje. Maybe as a friend.
So after you guys did sex, then what did he then take? How did he take that?
Well, I would say he was fine, but for a man to behave like okay, we had sex, it's fine. I'm going home. Breaking a call. It was kind of weird, yes.
Okay, so Sbu, uyamuzwa ukuthi you guys had sex before, and then she loves you. Ngendlela ukuthi romantically ufuna ukuthi athathe ube boyfriend yakhe.
Okay, let me just be honest with you, ne? To cut the story short. Ngengathi earlier on ama signs were there and now was wayibona proof kancane. I tried to deny it nami kwakuyindlela ukuthi kumele ngifihle ngayo kuwe or ngikirespect. Ngingathi ke mfethu kuwe to be honest nje ngibe clean and come out because before bengisaba mfethu I don't wanna lie and nami bengisafuna ukuyithola ukuthi ngifola kiphi mfethu uyabonga ngifuna ukwasho ngamagama lamagama lawo because nami angazi ukuthi kahle hle ukuthi ngifola kuphi.
So when you had sex with her, how did you feel about that?
Mfethu umdavazo
Yeah.
ngifuna ukukhohlisa because angisho mina ngoba ngisho ukuthi I'm trying to experiment
Yes.
lento lokuthi angazi noma ngizozwala ngingakuhloniphi or ngithini because mengilala nawe sometimes ngimagine lo muntu lo okulesa sithombe ngisibukayo ukuthi yazini at the same time futhi angeke ngiqamba mangithi I didn't enjoy it. I did enjoy, but ngisho ngoba ngumuntu nami and sihlonipha abazali ne society
So wena kunabanye abantu abamantombazana or partners olala nabo besides her?
Angeke ngisho ukuthi bakhona opartner engilala nabo because bekusewuyena kuphela umuntu bengisahlangane naye nje ya kule life and bengamchitheli,
Okay.
which bengisazama ukuthi ngiyibone ukuthi ngiphuma or ngifola.
So umuntu wakho uyazana no-Ayanda or abaza babonane, they've never seen each other before?
There was a time la sasiphume mina nawe I won't mention igama lale club because kuzoba ngathi ngiya-advertise. Do you remember that guy owafika wangibuza wathi hawu uphuzani la Sibuda? That's the one wasithengela amasavana wena wakubuza ukuthi uphuza ini. Ngase ngathi hey mfethu ayi umuntu wami whatever angayiphuza. Mina ayiphuzayo uzomthengela anginankinga.
Oh, ngikhumbula indaba yase club. You said something about experiment. Are you experimenting nobani kanjani?
That's the guy ngisho ngishoyo mfethu ukuthi uyena bengisafuna ukuphusha naye ngibone ukuthi ngibhalansa kuphi. Mhlambe ngikuwena or ngibantu be.
Who's this guy? This guy is your friend or you guys are...
Experiment kana ngami kanjani?
Mfethu bengikuhlonipha bengafuni ukukubonisa lento ukuthi ngiyayenza, so that's why ngithi bengafuni ukukutshela benganaso isibindi sokuthi yazini let me come out ngike, and at the same time futhi ngiyakuthanda, so angizazi mfethu ukuthi ngi-wrong yini ngokwenza lento or ngi-wrong mengiyeka, you understand.
Khawuzana noNthabiseni, khawuzana noPalisa, and then
It's part of experimenting nayo
so
le.
experimenta ngathi wena kahle kahle.
Hayi ngoba mfethu nginidelela angisho esinye isikhathi sifuna ukuprotecta igama lethu kwi-community, so nami bengizama ukufihla ukuthi yazini ngiyajola namathekeni at the same time nginakho ukubathanda all over.
And that's right for wena kahle kahle. 4 years yonke. No.
But mfethu angithi bengingakwenza ukubone lokho bengikwenza secretly ngingavezi ukuthi ngiyazenza lezi zinto, and nawe it wasn't easy ukuthi uyithole.
Oh, so lo mngane lona okhuluma ngaye kahle kahle it's a male figure omuntu wakho. Oh, so you were experimenting with her ukuthi nilale or nibe kwi relationship, but then you have umuntu wesilisa ojola naye.
And apparently he said
Yeah.
the guy is a friend. I didn't know ukuthi mona they are in a relationship.
Did he show any signs that maybe mhlawumbe naye is not
No,
straight?
yeah, now he said he's a friend.
Okay, this is a different ball game. So right now, I'm figuring out right now, ukuthi you are actually basically having a romantic relationship nabantu besilisa, and then when my sister ngalana, she feels played. At the same time, she didn't know ukuthi wena.
Oh, the whole 4 years.
Yes, and then
Imagine.
because right now she has feelings for you the whole time, and afuna ukuvezela wona namhlanje. So you are now coming out to her 4 years later to tell her ukuthi kahle kahle wena you're not a straight person.
Thina mesikhuluma iqiniso mfethu bengekho faithful kuyo yonke leminyaka ewu4. Bengihlezi ngiyibona izinto efonini but ngiyithulele. Yena namhlanje unesibindi sokuthi azongiletha kuma camera mfethu. Hayi.
Wabona ini wazongihlanyela, wabona ini? Wathule wangitsheli. Wathule wathi du wabona ini? Wangitshela ungazongihlanyela.
Cha bo mfethu phela nami bengikuhlonipha nje umuntu engimthanda bengenza ngiyifihla. Wena manje masuzongihlambalaza phakathi komhlaba uthi
Everyone uyibonayo ukhuluma immediately. No, you don't. If there's something everyone uyibonayo ukhuluma immediately.
No, Sbu, if we,
Sifike kule show lokuthi
yeah,
no.
Sbu, if umuntu umthanda mfethu from the get go, you explain to them ukuthi wena what is your sexual orientation. That is ukuthanda umuntu ke.
ukubuza ngiyasho mfethu ukuthi ngiyamthanda yena nalomjida ngiyamthanda, so angikho wrong mfethu lapha anti sithembu sikhona kuwonke umuntu yena mekuthi uyahluleka ungena esithenjini sami khona this show mfethu nowadays ngeke ngisho igama layo.
Yes.
Sinesithembu sabantu besifazane nabantu besilisa. Angisho ukuthi mina bengizoyenza but yena useyangiholela manje ukuthi sengi-exposile manje mina ngizothi ngiyekelani.
Okay, if I didn't write kule show le bozongitshela nini?
Mfethu phela na ubuzoyibonela uhamba isikhathi ngoba ayi
After 10 years.
angazi yazi
After 10 years or 20 years.
mfethu.
So useshilo ukuthi my sister kahle kahle is feelings for you, and wena you were taking her as mhlawumbe ufuna umfaka esithenjini. So do you have feelings for her or nje uyamuse wena?
Yabo after lento esenzile namhlanje mfethu, hey ngidisappointekile yazi that's why ngithi why ngithi ngidisappointekile umjida mfethu benginaye be-understand ukuthi ngiyazi une-girlfriend sinengcosi mfethu nalo muntu but yena mfethu uma ngithi ngifuna ukuyibona ingane yami all the time ihlezi ethi hayi ingane ihleli nogogo hawu mfethu phela yami ingane kumele ngiyibone but akafuni nayo mfethu.
So umngani wakho
Zisho lezo.
Okay.
Umngani wami mamela umuntu wami lo mfethu wena usungivezeke phakathi kwama-millions of viewers besihlele kahle lento ukuthi uzoyihlonipha i-relationship yami nawe manje wena mfethu usuvela uzoyenza kanje mfethu.
He mislead in this triangle kahle kahle. Because of you all along.
But now mfethu try to understand ezinye izinto because ayinhle yonke into oyifunayo ngiyakwenzela.
Yabona if ongitshela iqiniso from the word go bengeke izifike la.
Bungiye mfethu buzongilahla bengisaba lokho.
Nabantwana zingena vele.
Mfethu now we understand ukuthi i-community yethu mfethu ayi-understand lento yethu manje wena ubusungivezeka kanje umhlaba wonke.
So Ayanda, you told us ukuthi lo muntu ufuna ukuthi nijole ebe upartner wakho. But now he's telling us a different story ukuthi you guys kahle kahle ninengane. So you guys have been doing this thing. Nazi naba nengane.
Manje sizothini ingane yami?
So you guys have a baby together. But still leyo ngane leyo niyithole ningathandani still usamfuna. And then you fell pregnant.
I would do anything for this guy. They're being turned.
So when you guys had a child, then how do you call him? Is he a father of that child? How do you take that? Because man, you told us a different story to yamfuna. Manje nengane. And then yena uyakutshela ukuthi unomuntu wakhe oseceleni wesilisa. And now futhi uyakuthanda but because of this. So now we are hearing a different story.
Ngiyaxoxa ukukhatha. Uyakhumula the other day efonini yakho ngibuza uba lo muntu lokho efoni ebusuku. Umuntu wesilisa. Ufuna ngiye lapho mfethu because bengihlezi ngibekezelela zonke lezo zinto obuzenza but ngithule ngenxa ukuthi ngiyazi nami ukuthi angikho holy ngalendlela le mfethu xa kuJesu but wena namhlanje unesibindi mfethu sokuzongithatha uzongifaka mfethu.
No, if awuntshela same time.
Ezizinto mfethu kumele uyithulele wena ngaphakathi because bebaningi lapha abangani bakho bebeyifisa le relationship besina but namhla mfethu usuthini manje besithandana mfethu kumnandi nawo up until manje uzongiveza kanjeni.
So niyathandana kahle kahle according to wena. Because now but she said that she wants to be in a relationship with you. So when you take it as if uyamthanda because she's been saying ukuthi nina nikhulume kahle kahle verbal.
Okay mfethu noma bengiyeke phela ngiliphimisa igama njalo ngithi ngiyakuthanda but izenzo mbuthi uthi ufuna ukuphuma mfethu noma siphumile bengingasho ukuthi hayi anginayo imali namhlanje bengincamela mfethu uthatha imali yami yokugcina i-transport siphume ngenxa ukuthi angifuni kusasa kube kanje obusuku ngenza kanje na.
Ayanda, you've heard his side of the story ukuthi kahle kahle you guys have been in a relationship naningane but unomuntu wakhe. So when from now on going forward, what are you deciding about this relationship? Do you want to still together be with him or abe baby daddy nje or azoba umngani wakho or what's going to happen going forward manje ngoba usuzwile ukuthi kahle he's not straight, he's gay, he's living with you and the other guys. So what are you going to do about this going forward, my sister?
I also will just be a baby daddy or co-parent. Isithembu lakhuluma ngaso sendoda nomfazi ayikhoneki anyeke uyangihlanyela.
So uyahlukana naye on the show.
Yazini yeah.
My brother uthini.
With pleasure mfethu nami ngiyaphuma nje akwazi unga-expose kanje.
But you guys have ingane together nikwazi ukuxabana manje because
ngeke ndoda awungeke
Okay. Oh my brother kwatshela ukuthi earlier on ukuthi uyamfihlela ingane. Kanti kahle kahle why are you hiding the baby from him? Because phela umuntu uma emnengane naye besides ukuthi niyaxabana or baby daddy blah 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 still uyamkhombisa ingane. Worst case scenario you guys are currently in something relationship or sexual relationship but uyamfihlela why umfihlela ingane bese usibusisa?
Siyakhama manje.
My brother yazi ukhuluma iqiniso. Let me be honest, lento le iyangishisa. Akunangani.
Hayibo mfethu.
Mana ingane ishonephi manje eMozambique yeZimbabwe ishonephi nibeke phi ingane?
Ayami ingane uzoyikhipha hayibo ungayamisa emazweni ahlanye.
There was never a child.
What do you mean there was never a child? So akaze nibe nengane but kade ifaka imali yesondlo ukuthi ondle ingane the whole time he said
I was faking the pregnancy. There was no child.
Mfethu mina le mali ngilo ngiyifaka mfethu ayamali uzoyikhipha bani.
I understand, my sister. So why did you fake the pregnancy? Why did you fake the baby? Ubufunani? Nakhona bekuyindlela ukuthi na umfuna ukuthi ufuna ukujola naye. Why did you hide the baby?
I thought if I faked the pregnancy, maybe I was going to be close to him. Like, sibe together. Maybe marriage, maybe.
So the whole time uthi pregnant 9 months akazakubona azenibonana.
There was no baby.
My brother.
Isho mfethu yazinhlezi ngifuna ukuthi ingane yami ngeke ngiyibone. Mfethu hayi ngiyabo amathekeni mfethu ayiphela ngempela lento manje. Umuntu ubheka le nami ngibheka le mfethu ungaphindi ungifonele. Ungaphinde nje mfethu ayi mfethu ngisahamba la.
Man, Sbu, but she did all that to fall in love with you though.
Hawu mfethu yazi imali bengiyifaka mfethu elokuthi ingane yami ayibhekiwe kahle ekhaya.
So manje uyamduba usamfuni manje. Awufuna ukumncenga ke my sister, umncenge ke at least ke. Siswami kodwa nawe it's very super wrong ukuthi ufihle ingane kumuntu uyayifihla okuwese ke leyo ngane ayikho. Why did you do all that? Because manje uyambona ukuthi instead of building you actually ubuildlize yonke into right now. Why?
Bengimthanda kakhulu. So I thought maybe faking the pregnancy was going to bring us closer together. Yeah, bengicabanga njalo. I don't want to lie.
So bebangaka abafana abantu besilisa, why are you choosing him? Because clearly we've seen ukuthi for the past 4 years akakuthandi kahle kahle. Why are you not focusing on just getting somebody else ujole naye impilo iqhubeke?
Bengifuna yena. I loved him like Dala, you know, his personality, ukukhamba yakhe, like he's caring.
So manje that he broke up with you or he left, what you gonna do man? Uzokwenza njani about the situation? Are you gonna leave him uzokuzama ukuthi umncenge or uzozama ukuthi uthola umuntu wesilisa?
I'll try to reach out kuye. I don't want ukuthi iphele kanje kabuhlungu kanje. At least maybe iphele kahle sikhulumisane, ngimfonele angifonele yes.
Okay.
It's not now.
And wena nje the whole time abekho abantu abakushela abakufunayo?
Bangishela yes out there, but my main focus was on him.
Okay. Mina, my sister, I would advise you to go back to your drawing board, to go back to the people that are looking for you, that want you. Because in most cases, in relationships, it never ends well. Even if you guys did date, but you were going to break up anyways because so I will advise you to go back to the people that are looking for you or that want you. Because so for a relationship to actually go well, I'd advise you to do that because going back to him, it's not going to help with anything.
Okay, but yeah.
So after this, do you need counseling? Oh, sharp, right? You'll be fine. Eh? But wait, you heard it from herself, from my sister Ayanda. Uzamele ukuthi arichete kubhuti, wamlesa kwishow, wakhuluma naye. But because there's more stories we found. He's gay, and he thought they have a baby, but there's no baby end of the day. So going forward, as we explained to her and advised her, she must go to umuntu amfunayo. Now lapha ekhaya siyakadvise, uma umuntu wesifazane mfethu isikhathi esiningi kubalekile and kuyokusiza ukuthi go for umuntu okuyena okufunayo okuyena akushelayo, not to the other way around. But then you'll catch on the next story. Now mafuna ukusibhalela on the show, uyasibhalela nje na email ngenzansi Netezaka TV on Facebook or TikTok, you are stola everywhere. Until the next episode, Danko, we out.